There is nothing quite like a perfectly cooked steak, full of flavour with a caramelised crust and melt in the mouth texture. You can easily barbecue mouth-watering steaks on your Weber Spirit too. And now it's time for me to show you just how easy it is using these beautiful porterhouse steaks. Today we're going to use the direct high cooking method for these steaks. Before you start cooking, there are a few important steps you need to take. Firstly, like with all Weber barbecues, it's important to preheat your Spirit too. Preheating is simple. All you need to do to light your barbecue is turn your gas bottle on. Turn the left-hand control knob to the start high position and then immediately press your igniter button. To ignite the other burners, simply turn the gas control knobs to high. When preheating for direct high cooking, leave all main burners on high. Preheat with the lid closed for 10 to 15 minutes. When you're cooking good quality steaks like these, all they need is a little olive oil and a seasoning with salt and pepper. When buying your steaks, something to keep in mind is the more marbling a steak has, the juicier and more flavoursome it will be. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and now we're ready to barbecue. Now when cooking steaks, we want to cook them over direct high heat to get that caramelised crust, so leave all the burners on high. Let's get these steaks on the grill. A little tip, when you place your steaks on the grill, press gently on them using your tongs. This ensures the surface of the steak makes full contact with the hot grill. Then close the lid. These steaks are going to take around 3 minutes per side to cook to medium. See the smoke that is created from the steaks? By barbecuing with the lid down, we are cooking our steaks in a cloud of that beautiful barbecue flavour. After 3 minutes, open the lid and turn your steaks over. Then close the lid and cook them for a further 3 minutes. The aromas of these steaks cooking and caramelising smells just so good. 3 minutes later and we're done. Take the steaks off the barbecue and allow them to rest for at least 3 minutes. This gives the steak's juices time to redistribute, resulting in a juicier steak. Resting time's over. Now let's see how they've turned out. There you go, perfect medium, and you can see how juicy and tender the meat is with that sensational, flavoursome crust. Remember, all the information you need to get the best out of your Weber Spirit 2 can be found in your barbecue handbook or on our website.